Do you know how to prepare ester? Let's study the process of formation of ester. Here we have used ethanol, glacial acetic acid, and concentrated sulfuric acid. Take a test tube containing a mixture of 1 ml ethanol, 1 ml glacial acetic acid, and a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid and warm it in a water bath for few minutes. After some time, pour that heated mixture into a beaker containing 20 to 50 ml of water. This will give you a sweet smell. Hence, the resulting mixture is an ester.